Today we're showing you a 2004 New Holland TC33DA tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 15LA quick attach front loader. The tractor also has the SuperSteer on it, which is a really nice feature if you need a tight turning radius. These will turn on a dime. The tractor has 33 horsepower, has just over 500 hours. The front bucket also is quick attach, the Skidsteer style hookup. Bucket's in nice shape, paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Tractor's just been serviced. R4 industrial tires. Got the joystick right here to operate your loader. 3-point control here in the console. Has the foldable rollover bar on it. Rear toolbox, 3-point hitch. Has a telescopic 3-point arms. 540 PTO. Tilt steering wheel. And again, just over 500 hours. Currently has 533.1. Nice suspension seat on it. The left control console, you get your four-wheel drive, your PTO for your rear and center, and then also your range lever. Tractor has 3 ranges, and then the hydrostatic pedal to the right is a treadle pedal design. This is a one-owner local tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.